Hearing a grinding noise when you hit the brakes in your Toyota Yaris? Don't panic. Let's check a few things first. First up, check your brake pads. If they're worn down or you see metal, it's time for a replacement. Next, inspect the brake rotors. Run your fingers carefully around the rotor surface. If it feels rough or grooved, you might need to resurface or replace them. Look for rust or debris, especially after rain or a car wash. Surface rust can cause a temporary grinding sound, but it usually goes away after a few drives. Check for a stuck caliper too. If one wheel is hot or the car pulls to one side, that could be the issue. Listen closely when the grinding happens. If it's only at low speeds, dirt or stones might be trapped between the pad and rotor. But if it's continuous, stop driving. It's unsafe. Before you rush to the garage, check these points yourself. It could save you hundreds. Follow for more quick Toyota service tips. Your Yaris will thank you.